Reprogramming your Dodge Charger key fob or smart key pairing syncs your keyless entry and ignition systems. This is crucial, especially for chargers with push-button start. For chargers from 2015-2022 without app integration. Step 1. Ensure all doors are closed and the vehicle is off. Step 2. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on-run position without starting the engine. Step 3. Press and hold the lock button on the key fob for about 4 seconds until the vehicle responds with a horn chirp or light flash. Step 4. Within 10 seconds, press and release the unlock button on the same fob. Step 5. Repeat for additional fobs. Up to 8 can be programmed. Step 6. Turn the ignition off to exit programming mode. Remember, timing is crucial, and all fobs must be reprogrammed simultaneously as the process erases previous data. Battery replacement can also trigger the need for reprogramming. Newer Dodge Charger models from 2023 onward support app-based key fob programming through the Uconnect app. Simply navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Key Programming, and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your fobs. Always use genuine or certified Dodge fobs to prevent compatibility issues. Problems with aftermarket fobs are becoming more common and can lead to pairing failures. The future of key fobs points to digital integration with smartphone-based keys. These allow pairing and access through your phone, and they're already adopted by 30% of new Dodge Charger buyers. Biometric entry systems, including fingerprint and facial recognition, are emerging. Combined with AI-driven adaptive security that learns your patterns, these technologies will replace traditional fobs in upcoming models. Facial recognition technology scans and confirms your identity for seamless vehicle access, eliminating the need for physical keys entirely. While DIY reprogramming is possible, be aware of cybersecurity risks and potential warranty issues. If unsure, professional service is recommended. Note a recall affecting 50,000 chargers from 2020 to 2024, where faulty immobilizer control modules caused random fob disconnections.